Okay, guys, good morning, good night to each and every one of you. Anyway, you are watching me from all over the world. This is 1st of January 2025, and this is 1:06 a.m. in Nigeria, my country. And I have a few tips to share with you in 2025 as a trader. Within the end of the year, from late December, I have been battling with myself and I have been checking myself. I have cross-checked myself within the January to December, and I've been able to figure out some glitches in my trading arsenals, the good and the bad, what has made me, what has increased in my trading career, the good thing I did and the bad thing I did. So I've come to this conclusion to share with you guys a 7 trading nugget to become a better trader in 2025. And I'm very sure that if you follow this 7 step, you follow it closely, before the second quarter of this year, 2025, you will be able to see a drastic change in your trading career. I've been around this industry for some time now. I've seen the ups and downs of trading, and at least I can tell a little bit of it. So I want to share my experience with you. If you're a trader already, you're welcome. And if you're a new trader, if you're a newbie, you're also welcome. My name is Legend FS, and what I do is I trade. I do forex trading, I do spot trading, and I buy some coin and I hold them. That's what I do. And without wasting much of our time, let's dive into number one step, which I think if you want to be a trader, a successful trader in 2025, this is my own tips of you becoming a better trader. And if you are maybe you just stumble across this video, you're not a trader, you have not been trading, but you are aspiring to be one, to be a trader, this video could also help you. And without wasting much of our time, what is the first thing you have to do as a trader? As a trader, the number one thing you have to do first and foremost is, let's see the number one on my list here. The number one on my list here is what I call strategy. Strategy in the sense that anything you want to do in life, maybe you want to start up a business or you want to sell it, any kind of business you want to do, first and foremost, once you've identified that this is a business you want to do, the second thing is you getting a shop. It can be an online shop or an offline shop. So anyhow it wants to be, you must get a shop. So you now you say you want to become a trader. First and foremost, what you need is a strategy. There are a lot of strategy online which you can learn. After you've known the pros and cons, the tips of trading, you will come to this conclusion of learning a profitable strategy that will enable you to be consistent in the market. That is the number one thing you have to do, or you have to learn first, is you having a strategy. Once you've been able to establish a strategy to learn, there are a lot of strategy out there. There are SMC, there are ICT, there are different kind of strategy. There are pure price action traders, there are top-down analysis trader. A lot of traders are there. And if you also want to use the strategy that I've been using, I did a couple of video on how I use my personal strategy. You can also watch out for it. That is number one thing you have to do. And the second thing on my list here is what I call the risk to reward. You see, once you've learned how once you've learned how to analyze the market, because you analyzing the market, everything boils down in strategy. Having a solid strategy, those are the things that will guide you to be able to analyze the market. Once you'll be able to analyze, you've known how to analyze the market, the second thing you will be going for is risk to reward. A lot of traders don't say this because a lot of traders intend to follow a lot of influencer online, and they see how a lot of them flip accounts, a lot of them do this, do that, how I flip this one, I flip that one, which I'm also a victim of that. I'm coming to that shortly. I'm also a victim of that. So a lot of traders don't intend to talk about this risk to reward. They intend to tell you that this one happened, this one I flip account, I flip account. But if you want to be a consistent and profitable trader in 2025, you must have a risk to reward. Is a must. A risk to reward in the sense that if you are risking, maybe your strategy say buy. Once your strategies have said buy, then what you have to ask yourself is, what am I risking and what am I to gain in this trade? What my advice is, always pick from 1:2 upward. Me personally, I use a risk to reward of 1:3, meaning that each dollar I'm risking, I'm willing to make $3. But preferably, you can start from 1:2 or 1:3 upward. That is the best risk to reward ever. Anything below that is not for me. I see a lot of traders going for 1:1. When I see their posts, a lot of because I joined a Telegram group and Discord group, which I'm also coming to that shortly. A lot of traders, I will see them, they will just buy or sell. I will see their risk to reward. Although I don't take those trades, I just join them for joining sake. And so I know why I joined them. So I just see they will say buy and sell, and I will see the risk to reward. Sometimes the risk is always higher than the reward. And when maybe you've been winning trade, like you won at least 4 trade, and once one SL will just wipe away the whole trade you've won. Why? Because you have a poor risk to reward. So you have to work on your risk to reward. Very important. And without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the number one is a hand. This is two groups join. Too many group join. I beg your pardon. That is what I want to write. Too many group join. Like what I was saying, then I said I joined a lot of group. So the third one on my list here is if you join too many group, like you join what Telegram group, you are in a 5 or 6 different type of Telegram group, you are in a Discord group, you are in this, you are in this, you are in this, you are in that. In 2025, exit those groups. Why I'm saying this is that I have been a victim of this. Like I joined a lot of Telegram platform, Discord platform, and this one will be telling you Euro USD buy. The other platform will be telling you Euro USD sell. The other one will be telling you no trade. All those things are just noise. They're just conflicting your mind. They are conflicting each other. So at some point in time, you may get confused. You may get carried away. You don't even know when this platform is saying buy, this platform is saying sell. This platform will be selling A to you, while this platform will be selling B to you, and you will be stuck. And you will not know that you are stuck. Mind you, you will not know. Why I was able to figure this out is that I took my time. At the end of the year, from November, I began to reflect on the mistake I've made. I've been able to find out that a lot of things has been hidden in me that I myself, I don't really know. Until I took time to analyze myself, I have a good strategy, for God's sake. And until I took time to analyze myself, guy, what is really wrong with you? And I've been able to figure out that this 7 nugget is what is really wrong with me. And I don't want any trader also to face it. That is why I'm doing this video. So now you want to exit. If you are in 5 different platforms, you want to exit all of them. The only one you are permitted to leave is the one you feel that is in line with your trading pattern. When you are seeing buy, that particular platform is always posting buy. When you are seeing sell, that particular platform is always posting sell. That is the exact one you see. So exit all those ones. If you're a beginner trader, you can join them, and just for joining sake. As for me, when I joined them earlier, about 2 years ago, or maybe 2 years ago, when I joined those platforms. I joined them for maybe for extra motivation to be able to see that if these people are actually doing it, I myself can also do it. That is the most reason why I joined them. And as I've gained my confidence, I exit from all those platforms. So you want to do the same, but don't stay too long. If you're a beginner trader, you can join as many as you want, but don't stay too long there, because those things intend to complete your thinking and you will not know, and time will be going. So you want to exit as many as WhatsApp platform, Telegram platform, Discord platform you are. Choose only one and focus. Okay, that is the third thing I have on my list here, and the fourth thing I have on my list here is what I call patience. Patience in time of waiting for your setup to play out, because the way I trade, sometimes I may wait for 4 or 5 days before my setup will come. So I did a lot of mistake. I bought the third Profem. The one I just blew now is the third one. The third one. The first one I blew it myself. I purposely blew the first one. And the second one was not purposely. I over leverage on that account, and the third one was overconfidence. Overconfidence. But that is not the topic of today. What I'm trying to say now is be patient. Eh? Be patient. When your strategy says wait, you have to develop this mind to wait. When you say buy, you have to know you have to buy without arguing, without listening to what any other trader is saying. When your strategy says sell, you have to sell. And when it says wait, you have to develop that habit of waiting. If your strategy says wait, wait is wait. Wait for 2 days, wait for 3 days, wait for 4 days. It will not kill you. Wait. I told some of my guys about a farmer who plants cassava. This farmer will wait for some of those cassava will take at least 6 months, or some take about 3 months for those cassava to be matured before they will uproot it and do whatever they want to do with it before it will now come out to what is eatable. It took them time before they could harvest those cassava. So why, as a trader, we cannot even wait for some of trader can't even wait for 24 hours. Some just want to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell everywhere. So I beg you, in 2025, always be patient. When your strategy is telling you wait, always wait. It will do you a lot of good. Why did I say so? Because I just talked about the platform I believed. When I was in my phase one, I said I'm going to wait for my setup to play out before I would take any trade. And I waited. I disciplined myself to wait. And I just took about, as of then, I was in a serious drawdown. And after when I disciplined myself, I waited. It was about 2 or 3 trades that took me out of drawdown, GBP card and GBP chef. When I took those trades, I made a video on it on my YouTube channel. That was about 2 trades I took, and that trade brought me out of drawdown. And also the GBP card there about was what I used to pass my phase one, because I waited. I vowed to myself that I'm going to wait for my setup no matter how. I waited and everything plays out well. And I was able to pass the phase one. And the phase two, what happened to me is phase two is overconfidence, which I don't want to really talk about now. Maybe in other time I may also consider talking about that. So please and please, if you want to be a better trader in 2025, please, you have to wait. Wait is very important that you wait for setup. And on the 51 is don't force market. I always tell my guys that don't try to move market, because if you try to move market, the market will move you. If you open your charts, if you open your laptop or you open your charts and there is nothing in the market, simply mean that there is nothing is there is nothing. If the market is not giving you a clear trend and you are not seeing any opportunity to buy or to sell, the highest thing you can do at that moment is to close your laptop and walk away. Don't try to force the market. If you try to force the market will always backfire you. Always wait for a clean setup. A clean setup. If it is uptrend, you want to look for a nice buy, If it is down 20, you want to look for a nice sell. Always wait. Don't be an impatient trader, and don't try to force market. When there is no setup, there is no setup. Always wait and don't force the market. So number the sixth one on my list is what I call psychology. You see, psychology is one of the things that even when you are profitable, you cannot still outshine psychology. Psychology will keep on coming. Psychology is what will make you, maybe you place a trade at 1:3 and you've seen 1:2, you'll be saying, should I close, or should I close, should I continue, should I close, should I continue? And probably you are waiting for 1:3 to hit, and the market now reverse and go back to your entry and probably stop you out of SL, and you'll be, if I have known, I would have closed. If I have known, I would have closed. The next time, anytime I see 1:2, I will just close. Next time, if you still 1:2, because your mind has been fixed to 1:3, you will not close. You'll be waiting for 1:3, and those things keep on repeating themselves. You have to know how to balance all those tips together. If I'm to dive deeper onto this, it will take a long time. So I don't want this video to be more long. I just wanted to give you the tips of what can really improve your trading style drastically in 2025 if you apply them properly and follow the footsteps. So psychology is one thing that will make you, that will improve your trading drastically. Maybe you are waiting for 1:3, and most time 1:3 is not always happening. You see 1:3, the market will go back. If your edge, or maybe your trading plan is 1:3, no matter how many times the market went back to SL, stick to 1:3. Everything will start sinking naturally when time comes. That is trading. It will always test you to know if you're able to stick to 1:3. I bet you market will always go to 1:3, but one time it wants to test you to always stick to your trading plan. Just know that psychology is one thing you can never defeat. And the last but not the least on my list here, the last but not the least, because there are many more of them, but I just want to talk about this one so that the video will not be too long, is what I said, never quit. You see, trading is just hard. The people who have made it in Forex are the people who made it look as if Forex trading is easy. But in the real sense of it, Forex trading is not easy. Forex trading is not easy. But I'm just telling you, please, never you quit. Never quit. Because this market can change your life. This market can change your life drastically. But just to think of it, if this market has the potential of changing my life, will it give me this thing I'm looking for, the platter of gold? No. It will take you up and down. It will turn you up, turn you upside down, shake you. And those things will 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years at most, sometimes 5 years. But if you don't quit, if you stick on that, I must figure this thing out, no matter how hard it is, a time will come where everything will start sinking. Remember, a doctor never gets a degree in 1 year. Remember, a lawyer also never gets it in 1 year. A lot of professionals out there you are seeing there, they never get all these things in 1 year. It took them time and patience before they were able to get to where they are. I beg you, please never quit. Quit anything else. You can quit smoking, quit partying, quit other things, but please don't quit this market. Don't quit. I'm talking to you, and I'm also talking to myself. Don't quit. The time will come where you'll be happy that you learn how to trade. Okay. All right. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, and have a lovely year ahead. Bye for now. My name remains the Legend FS Academy. Please, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you don't also like it, give me a dislike, but tell me what to do in my comment box below in order to improve my video. As you all know, no one is island. We are all here to learn. I learn from you, you learn from me, until we attain the stage I call the CPT, Consistent Profitable Trader. Please subscribe to my channel to help me grow. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.